So hi everyone, today I'll teach you some very interesting ways you can teach and go about teaching nutrition at a very early age. So you can have these hands-on toys, vegetable toys like so. So I have purchased like two sets of toys. One is this and the other one are the ones that you can cut. I'll just show you how to go about it. So what you can do is that simply these are like set of toys and you can ask the kids to differentiate all of these toys into healthy food and a non-healthy food. So healthy food they could put it in the basket and unhealthy food they can just let it be. So probably you can pick up and say, what is this? Okay, this seems like a canned soda. So do you think it's healthy? And the kid might say, no, it's not healthy. Or they might say it's healthy. Then generate questions. Why do you think this is unhealthy? What do you think is the packaging of this stuff? How do you think, we can keep something over here? How fizzy drinks help us? How fizzy drinks damage us? So, you can generate these questioning. Then you can take another one and then ask, do you think that this is healthy? Then you can ask, do you think what is this? And do you think it's healthy? So one way of playing with these vegetables is sorting healthy and unhealthy vegetable. So your child is learning to sort, your child is learning what is healthy and healthy, your child is building onto vocabulary. Now the second game that you can play is that, okay, mama wishes to make this pizza. For this pizza, what do you think mama would be needing? Okay, let's see. Okay, so mama may be needing some bread and dough. Cool, or let's take a slice. Okay, yes, mama might also need corn, mama might also need sausages to cut and put it. So the second way to go about teaching is like teaching them to just learn some recipes. You can even take this toy and ask them that, if you want to create this raspberry pie, what do you think you'll be needing? So this way you're teaching them methods, their mathematical understanding is enhances, they are learning recipes as well. Another way you can also ask them to sort these into breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also colors, shape, size, you can also teach them the food pyramid and accordingly place all of these things. Another very interesting activity is also you can say, okay, you can also play I Spy game. So you can also say that, okay, I spy something with my eyes that has a yellow color in it and it tastes very spicy. You see, so you can play such things. Another very interesting is then you have some vegetables. These are conveniently available in the market. It comes with this board, some vegetables. So you can teach them cutting. It's very interesting. I really love this. The sound, the kids will love it. And then, this is this. Inside of it's Velcro. And then, they can stick them, put them together again. You can talk about cabbage. You can talk about different vegetables and their healthy benefits. So I think this is a great game to go about playing with young ones, and this is amazing. I would highly recommend you to buy such games and generate healthy discussion. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Bye bye.